It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday evening. I'm James Spann. Clouds will be thickening tomorrow. A little northern branch system, northern branch of the jet stream. Maybe some snow in here for the Tennessee Valley tomorrow night. Rain over far south Alabama. We're kind of in between all of that. So a lot of things to talk about here. And by the way, we're about to hit the road. We're headed down to Clay County this evening. We'll be at Ashland between 4 and 6:30, opening night for the annual weather tour, the First Alert Storm Team tour across the state. Thursday evening, we'll be at Cedar Bluff in Cherokee County. And this year, we're just doing a meet and greet. Come by anytime during that stretch and say hello. If you need your weather radio program, have some questions, just come out and see us. We love to talk weather. You know that. All right, this is Trussville, the Skycam network there. A veil of high cirrus clouds, but plenty of sun getting through. That's a Jasper Skycam, same setup there. And up in the Tennessee Valley, again, filtered sunshine up at Huntsville. Well-defined wave over Mexico that will be lifting out, bringing rain to the Gulf Coast. And a wave in the northern branch of the jet stream coming down the pike. They're not going to phase up, but they will affect the state in different ways between now and Thursday. Rain is breaking out across the Gulf Coast region. In fact, rain really is just offshore. And we'll keep an eye on that. Sometimes these systems coming out of Mexico don't perform like the models say they will because it's really not in the American upper air network yet. So it'll be kind of a tricky forecast with the rain there to the south, but it looks like the better chance will stay south of here. Temperatures rising through the 40s. We're doing this update a little earlier in the day because of the road trip. Birmingham at 45. Most spots should be close to 50 for the high today. And again, really cold air continues up north with a big snowpack from Des Moines to Chicago to Boston. Got a few winter weather advisories up north. Things relatively quiet around the nation. And this is the overall rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning. You can see nothing here with the better rains down to the south near the Gulf Coast. And again, up in the Tennessee Valley, will there be some snow tomorrow night? Yes, I think there will. But the guys at WPC suggesting the chance of accumulating snow at least greater than 1 inch is small. Beginning to think there might be some accumulation on grassy areas around Huntsville and Scottsboro, Athens by early Thursday, and we'll talk about that. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. You can see that southern system coming out over the western Gulf, the northern branch with a trough. And down below that, we're kind of in between things, so the day will be dry. Clouds will likely thicken during the day with a high in the mid to upper 50s. It'll be pretty comfortable. The southern branch with the rain in the Gulf, northern branch with some light snow across the Great Plains. This is midnight tomorrow night. You can see the rain to the south, snow to the north. We're still in between. And then 6 a.m. Thursday, you can see that band of light snow moving down into the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama. Again, the rain stays south of here. And again, we're seeing some evidence that there might be some light accumulation up here. This is BuffKit model data, and you can see even a few of the runs are suggesting maybe a 1/4 inch in the grass up around the Tennessee Valley. This is specifically for Huntsville. Could there be travel problems? Not totally out of the question. Maybe a slick spot on a few bridges, as temperatures up there will be very close to freezing when this happens. So just something to watch for those of you in far north Alabama. Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, maybe a flake or two, but probably no issues. And then by noon, it's all gone. This is Thursday at 12 noon, just kind of colder and dry, and the high only around 40. That'll be a pretty chilly day with a cool northeast wind. Well, quickly wanted to show you the NAM, though. This is kind of the outlier, and this is tomorrow at 5 o'clock, and it's got rain almost up to Interstate 20. The other model's not even close to this. But again, I warn you that systems coming out of Mexico often are not handled well by models, and if we'll just see how it plays out. But for now, we're going to downplay the chance of rain with this feature for us, but obviously if that keeps up, that might change. All right, this is Friday. We're in great shape. Friday morning is going to be cold. I think we'll be down in the middle 20s. High Friday afternoon in the mid-50s. The sky will be sunny. And a nice day to kick off the weekend on Saturday. Lots of sun. The high in the low 60s. That'll be nice. Now, Sunday, a clipper passing northeast of the state, and that's going to drag a surface boundary through here. It might squeeze out a shower somewhere, but that's not going to be a big rain event because of the lack of moisture. And then Monday, this run has moisture kind of increasing, and we might need to mention a chance of a shower. This is the first time we've seen this. Other runs have just had Monday as rain-free. We've got that in the forecast now, just something to watch. And then a week from today, this is Tuesday the 10th, troughing well to the east. We've got ridging nosing in from the west, and again, that looks dry and pleasant. Here's the end of the forecast, the 13th of the month. Big ridge in the west and a trough over the northeast United States, but that keeps the coldest air over the northeast U.S., and we're just cool and dry if this is right. You can see temperatures coming off the ensembles, just not that bad over the course of the next 15 days. I would say if you average all those numbers out, they'd be about where we should be for February. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.